Okay, I just checked out, and maybe, only maybe, I will even be there kind of early. That would be nice, because I don't want to get in the like full rush hour at 9 a.m. I heard that there are lots of people, so... Okay, so it's 7 a.m. I'm entering the bamboo forest. Okay, so this place is cool. Like, it's very similar to where I was at the first day, and yeah. It is so pretty in here, I cannot believe it. Ah, oh my god. Oh, there is another observation deck outside. Let's see what the view is from here. Nice, nice. This from one side and from another the river. Oh my god, it's amazing. Like, how beautiful a place can be. Okay, so basically today I am going to Osaka, to Universal Studios, so this is my last time with nature today, probably. Then I am going to Umeda Sky Building, if I will have time, and I wanna sleep today because I slept 5 hours, and like, I haven't slept well in a while, so yeah. But at least I look good. I'm surprised that like my time management was so good today, because like I woke up at 5:10 a.m. and then I was ready at 6:17, something like that. So yeah. There's the river. I can't believe that I'm leaving Kyoto. To be honest, I underestimated it. Really underestimated it, because it's amazing. And like, I wish I could stay here for like 5 days more, but I have only 14 days in Japan, so I don't have the possibility to, unfortunately. I'm from Poland.
Oh,
Yeah.
very.
Okay. I'm crossing the bridge right now. Then I am heading to the train station, go get a stamp, and go to Osaka. Wow, I am going to UFJ. Nice. Sounds cool. Bro, I just took some pretty photo, and the girls, 3 girls were on it, were sitting on a bench, and like I came up to them and I was like, hey, I can send it to you if you like, because I made this photo, blah blah blah, and yeah, I made someone's day good, better, or something. The vibe here is amazing. Wow. Okay, so the food was forbidden, so I ate it, and yeah. Okay, so I got in. I have no idea what to do here, but I want to go on this ride. It seems interesting, and yeah, I have no idea what I want to do here. Okay, I guess I am heading in front of me. I think there are the rides. Yeah, I have no idea where to go, literally. Okay, I don't know if I will vlog a lot about this, because I have no idea what's going on. It's like Little America, something like that. Okay, anyway, I am going in front of me. No, I am going there. Ah, okay. Yeah, the map would be nice, but I don't have any map, so that sucks. After the ride, it was worth it. It was amazing. I love those kind of rides. I love this adrenaline drop. And now I am going to another. And probably another hour of waiting. So cute. A girl that I was sitting next to asked me to take a picture and gave me an Instax. Which way? This was by far one of the most enjoyable rides, I would say. But where next? Okay, USJ is okay, but I don't know, I'm here for the ride only. Cause like, nothing else seems that much interesting to me. I don't know. That's not my type of attraction. I'm heading for Hogwarts, Harry Potter and stuff. I'm going for the Hogwarts ride. That's all. Okay, I am leaving. To be honest, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, I only enjoyed the ride. Overall, it was expensive and like, it's not my type of traveling, it's not my type of attraction that I would want to. I had more fun yesterday when I was climbing the mountains. I'm more of the nature person than the like this type. Order McDonald's. Why not? I am hungry. Just look at my bags. I'm heading back right now. I just ate some food at McDonald's. I'm going to Kyoto. Look what there is. Someone sleeping like on the rest. Like, you can see, I'm exhausted, totally exhausted. But like, on the right, it was super. It was exciting, amazing. But overall, I feel like I wasted the day a little. I just casually lost a lot of money on clothing, but it is worth it. I mean, one thing was unnecessary, but it is what it is. Okay, basically, I don't regret it now. Well, what can I say? Bipolar or something. Yeah, everything is okay. I feel like Osaka is the definition of like Asian modern cities that you think of when this place is set. And yeah. By the way, since my arrival, I haven't listened to any music. Like, I wanna experience everything, and I don't even listen to music. Like, yeah, just a fun fact. I love it in here. It's amazing. The USJ today made me a little bit disappointed. However, right now, I'm satisfied. I love shopping. Like, because like I don't have this type of clothes in my country, but this is exactly my style. So okay, so that's the place that I am staying in. This is my bed, and yeah, I will get ready. I will get ready to sleep and stuff like that. Then I will do some other work that I need to do, and everything will be fine. Everything will be done. Yay! Let's appreciate how this is really about tomatoes. You see that? And also we have this, there are guitars.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so the manager just took me to this room. Before, of course, he asked me if I was okay, because they are taking pictures of every beautiful girl and just like pinning it on the wall. And the entrance, it's so cool, so cute, and look how pretty it is. I just took my makeup off, by the way.